are mostly water. In fact, they are 89% water. They're also about 8 to 9% carbohydrates and about 1 to 2% protein. There are three kinds of onions you're likely to be familiar with. The most common of them is the purple one. The other one, the golden yellow brown kind of variety, is the more flavorful, sweeter onion. And the white one is the mildest of the onion varieties and suitable for salads. How you cut an onion determines the amount of onion flavor you get. The cells of the onion run from the top of a bulb to the roots. So cutting along that axis damages the fewest number of cells and you get a milder onion flavor. Cutting across the axis damages more cells and you get a stronger onion flavor. Mincing an onion gets you the most amount of onion flavor, while pasting an onion gets you a strong, pungent onion flavor.